Hi guys and girls, it's your favorite Algebra 2 teacher, Mr. Bettis. I'm going to do another problem for you. This is actually from today's homework, number 3, the longest long division problem I've given you so far. So if you're lucky enough to be watching this, you will get your free answer if you haven't already completed it. Alright, so I can't even fit this on my whole sheet of paper, but this is 5x to the 6 polynomial divided by x squared. So there are no missing powers, but you still want to check. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You're good. Check the other one. 2, 1, 0. You're good. So set it up. Okay. X squared minus 4x plus 2. And then write your 6 power polynomial inside. I'll try to do this as fast as possible, but you want to make sure that you are being accurate in your math and not messing up. So it's okay if you take your time. Alright, so we start the process. We are going to divide, multiply, and then subtract. Okay, so let's go ahead and divide. Excuse me. 5x to the 6 divided by x squared. What do we get? 5x to what power? To the 4th, because you subtract your exponents. So 5x to the 4th. So that means, if you've been paying attention, we have to do this 1, 2, 3, 4 more times. Okay? But we're good. We can do this. This is easy math, right? Multiply. So we get 5x to the 6, multiply, get negative 20x to the 5th, multiply, you get 10 to the 4th. Alright, so now we subtract, and like I was doing in my other video, and some of you have been doing, we just flip our signs. You could do parentheses and then the negative, but some of you guys forget to change this one. So we're just going to change the sign. So that's negative, that's positive, that's negative, right? So now you don't mess up your addition. 0 here. This would be 4x to the 5th. This would be negative 21x to the 4th. And then we drop this down. Drop down 22x to the 3rd. I only need to drop 3 because I only have 3 on the outside. You could drop everything else if you want to, but you only need 3. So I just stick with that. All right, let's do it again. 4x to the 5th divided by x squared. And maybe you caught on, and you don't even have to write this off to the side, because what's going to be happening throughout this whole problem? This term is going to lose how many powers? Well, that term is going to lose 2 powers every time, right? 6 to 4 was minus 2. 5 to 3 is minus 2. We're always going to take away 2 powers. The coefficient is going to stay the same because this coefficient's 1. All right? So that's positive 4x cubed. Multiply everything, this quadratic, by 4x cubed. Okay? So what do we have? We have 4x to the 5th. We have negative 16x to the 4th. We have 8x to the 3rd. All right. Now we're going to subtract. So negative, positive, negative again. All right. So that's 0. Perfect. That is negative 5x to the 4th. 22 minus 8 is 14. Positive 14. And then we drop down the x squared from above. Okay? Start the process again. Take that first term, divide by x squared. Take the first term of your new polynomial and divide by x squared. So that just leaves negative 5x squared. So negative 5x squared. Now, be careful with your signs, okay? This times this is negative 5x to the 4th. These two together is positive 20 x to the third. And the last one would be negative 10x squared. Okay? Subtraction means we change our signs. So that's a positive, that's a negative, that's a positive. First one cancels. Perfect. This would have us at negative 6x cubed. And then here we would have 24 squared. Okay? Almost done. We're getting there. Drop down to negative 4x. We got to do this at least 2 more times. Unless more stuff cancels. Oh, that spread so bad. Oh well. Alright. Running out of room on this side. Negative 6x to the third divided by x squared. This would be negative 6x. Alright, so negative 6x multiplies by this quadratic. We're almost there. Alright, so what do we get? That's negative 6x cubed. These two would be positive 24x squared. And this would be 12. Negative 12, sorry. Alright. So actually, I think I messed up on the answer key then, because that should have been positive. Oh no, it's going to switch anyways. I'm freaking myself out because this is taking too long. So, sorry. That's fine, because what's going to happen? Well, we have to subtract. So this is positive, this is negative, this is positive, right? So what do we have left? That's 0, that's 0. This would be 8x. And then we would have plus 9. Okay? And we are actually done. Why? If I try to take this first term, 8x divided by x squared, and I do the math like we've been doing, that would be 8x to the negative 1. We do not want to have that happening. Okay, we don't want a negative exponent. So when that happens, you're done. So yeah, we don't have a constant here, but that's fine. Okay, it's okay if we don't have a constant. That just means we're going to be done quicker. So then, to save room, my equation or quotient for this would be 5x to the fourth plus 4x to the third minus 5x squared minus 6x plus your remainder is 8x plus 9, and your denominator is x squared minus 4x plus 2. All right, and there you have it. This is number 3, and we took just about 8 minutes. Okay, so hopefully this helps. You guys be successful. Push through this. You'll be fine. All right, Mr. Brett is signing out. I'll see you tomorrow.